Fossil Gen 5 with Wear OS by Google. You asked for it and here it is.
Oh yeah. Before we continue, we have an important message we want to get across.
As you know, in 2019, YouTube creators are finding it harder and harder to hit the algorithm that we need to get our videos shared and up there with the big names. We try to make unbiased tech reviews. We pay for 99% of the products you see on our videos, and we only ask that you give us a little bit of help on the way so that we can continue making these unbiased videos for you.
If you are new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. Today is one of these days. Fossil Gen 5, here it is.
So what's in the box?
You will find the watch itself, the Fossil Gen 5 in the box, and there is a nice sticker which looks Google-like. We're just gonna remove this quickly, you know how much we like that. And there's also a charging cable, which is kind of a magnetic touch.
So as you see, Jens has rather large hands, wide hands and wide wrists. When you put it on, it's still loose.
Yes, so it is pretty big when it comes out of the box. It is stainless steel, silver, gray, space grayish if you like. And I have to say the armband itself has a little bit of a cheap touch.
You can hear it clink.
It's like a rattlesnake, but nevertheless, it feels good.
It's light?
Could be, I don't know, but it doesn't feel that premium. It's a smartwatch after all.
So the first thing we have to do is actually charge the device. It doesn't come out with any battery. Well,
no, basically it didn't come on, so we have to charge the device before we can connect it.
So we had some fun setting this bad boy up.
Yeah, so we downloaded the Fossil app first. We need the Wear OS app in order to get it going. In any event, we did that. It took about 10 minutes for the entire process to sync, and it's still downloading apps, I believe, via the Google Play Store. Google Assistant doesn't work yet, but we'll get there. Should we have a look at the menu?
Yeah.
The Fossil Generation 5 comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, Gorilla Glass 4, CPU is the Snapdragon 3100, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, Bluetooth 4.2, and really important, a standalone GPS. It also has got Wi-Fi and NFC. Google Wear, as we mentioned already. The heart rate monitor is one important one, and the battery lasts up to 4 days. That is really important, guys, because you have several modes to really change the settings into daily battery saving and whatever you want to do. That is a good feature to have. 30-meter water resistant. It is basically swim proof if you like. It has removable straps, and the size is 44mm, 12mm thickness and 63.3 grams. It also does notifications, phone calls, and it has Google Fit. I haven't registered yet, but you have standalone apps like the Running Club, Spotify, Noonlight, and a cardiogram, and all of that makes it really appealing to me, and we will try to figure out how this Fossil Gen 5 really works in our full review.
So our first impressions aren't that good. It comes in with a price tag of $295 US, and you may have noticed when Jens moves the watch around, you can hear it clink.
It's like a rattlesnake.
A clinking. Cheap. A clinking sound. It does not sound like a 295 euros watch. My other niggle with this is that the swiping, the navigation is slow or glitchy. Sometimes it doesn't work at all, and the buttons on the side don't always work. This is our first impressions, remember, and it took the 10 minutes to set it up.
Yeah.
So our first impressions are
medium. Yeah, we have mixed emotion about it. Maybe it outperforms all the other smartwatches we have in our next comparison video. So let us know in the comments below what it is you would like to see with the Fossil Gen 5 or the experience you have with the Fossil Gen 5 if you have one. Do you plan to buy one for Black Friday? Let us know. We will test that for you. And think about what we said at the beginning. We really need your help. Thank you for watching. Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.